Have you ever wondered how to express actions that will have been happening for a certain duration in the future? This tense is your answer. Hello guys and welcome back again to Master English Hub. Today we're learning the future perfect continuous tense. It's used to describe actions that will have been in progress for a certain time before a specific future moment. Example, by next year, I will have been teaching English for 10 years. Many learners confuse this tense with the future continuous or the future perfect. The challenge is understanding the difference between will be doing, will have done, and will have been doing. 1. Structure. Subject plus will have been plus verb, ing. Example, she will have been studying for 3 hours by the time you arrive. 2. Usage. To emphasize the duration of an action up to a future point. To show cause, effect in the future. Examples in context. By 8 p.m., they will have been working for 12 hours. Next month, I will have been living in this city for 5 years. Imagine this. By the time you finish watching this video, you will have been learning English for several minutes. That's exactly how this tense works in real life. The future perfect continuous tense is future plus completion plus duration. Structure, will have been, plus verb, ing. Use it when you want to emphasize how long something will continue before a future moment. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using the future perfect continuous tense in the comments. I'll check and correct them. And don't forget to watch my other videos for more grammar tips.